ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद we were seeing page number 390 टीका सेकंड पैराग्राफ। पृथिव्यै च इत्यादि वाक्यावष्टम्भेन पक्षद्वयं प्रतिक्षिप्य तदक्षराणि व्याचष्टे। Now the mantra aksharas are taken up. Two purva pakshas were refuted. One was Mimamsaka. Second was Bhartru Prapancha. Now Prithivya cha. So the mantra begins with Prithivya. Ityadi Vakya Avashtambhena. By taking the support of this Vakya. Pakshadvayam Pratikshipya. The two Pakshas which have been refuted. Tadaksharani Vyachaste. We have already seen the mantra. See in Bhashya. Prithivya. पृथिव्याः च एनम् अग्नेश्च दैवी अधिदैवात्मिका वाक् दैवी अधिदैवात्मिका वाक् एनं कृतसंप्रत्तिकम् आविशति। पृथिव्यै is चतुर्थी विभक्ति, that is translated as पृथिव्याः पंचमी. In other words, पृथिव्यै is छांदस प्रयोग. पृथिव्याः च एनम् अग्नेश्च, and this agni, agneश्च, अग्नेः दैवी means अधिदैवात्मिका वाक् enters into this कृत संप्रत्तिकम आविशति. कृता संप्रत्तिः येन पित्रा सह कृत संप्रत्तिकः तम. In other words, the Daivi Vak enters into this person who has done this Krita Sampratti karma. In other words, not only this karma, the one who has been living a life following the Vedas, etc., and now he has done this. Avishati. Enam tika. Enam iti uktam anudya vyakaroti. Vak enam avishati. Enam is referring what is given in the Veda, in the mantra. Enam means Krita Samprattikam. कथम पुनः सूत्रात्म भूता वाग उपासकम आविशति तत्राह. कथम पुनः सूत्रात्म भूता वाग, दिस वाग विच इज सूत्रात्म भूत हिरण्यगर्भात्म रूप वाग उपासकम आविशति. हाउ डज इट एंटर दिस उपासक? मीन्स नॉट ओनली ही इज कृत संप्रत्तिकः, ही इज ऑल्सो upasaka. Both are there. Tatraha sarvesham hi vacha upadana bhuta daivi vak prithvi agni lakshana. Sarvesham hi vacha upadana bhuta. everybody's vak is upadanam is Prithvi Agni Lakshana, and all vaks are Devi only. Sarvesham hi vachaha upadana bhuta Devi vak Prithvi Agni Lakshana. In other words, Devi vak is upadana karanam for all, but for upasakas it materializes. Tika tarhi tayoho abhedat अविदुषोपि व्याप्तैव वाक् इति विदुषी विशेषो नास्ति इति आशंक्य आह. तर्हि देन तयोः अभेदात्, तयोः विदुषो अविदुषोः, just as for ज्ञानी his vak, ज्ञानी means upasaka, upasaka's vak, its upadanam is this Daivi vak. For avidusha, the one who is not doing upasana, same is true for that person also. Tayoho abhedat avidushopi vyapta eva vak vidushi vishesho nasti. In upasaka there should be no vishesha, because upadan karanam for all vak is this daivi vak only. Answer is given in bhashya. Sahi adhyatmika असंगादि दोषैर निरुद्धा विदुषस तद्दोषापगम आवरण भंग इव उदकम प्रदीप प्रकाशवच्च व्याप्नोति. साही आध्यात्मिक आसंग आसंगादि दोषैर निरुद्धा. सा 1 नंबर टिप्पणी आदिदैवी की वाक फॉर अविदुष. For the one who does not do upasana, one who does not have this buddhi in aparichinna vak, those who have aham buddhi in parichinna deha, parichinna indriya, etc., then sahi adhyatmika asangadi doshair niruddha, because of attachment to deha, prana, etc., that adhyatmika vak is niruddha, it is obstructed. Vidushas tad doshapagama avarana bhanga iva. For a upasaka, this avarana bhanga has taken place because he is doing upasana of samashti for quite some time. Tad doshapagama avarana bhanga iva udakam pradeepa prakashavaccha vyapnoti. Like udakam pradeepa prakashavaccha vyapnoti. So in the water, if there is sunlight, etc., either you can take together example or two different examples, udakam and pradeepa prakashavat, two separate examples. Water you put anywhere, it starts pervading. The light of a lamp, you keep that lamp anywhere, it will start illumining things around. In the same way, for a vidusha, upasaka, parichinnatva bhavana is not there. This is the avarana bhanga. Or you can just use one example, that in water, when the light is reflected, then that light will illumine the water and remove the darkness around. Tadetat uchyate पृथिव्या अग्नेश्च एनम दैवी वाक् आवishati iti. Tad etad uchyate. This is what is said here. पृथिव्या अग्नेश्च. Prithivya Panchami you have to take. Prithivyaha Agnehe Panchami Enam Devi Vak Avishati. This Devi Vak of Hiranyagarbha enters into Enam. Enam, this Pita, who is the Upasaka, who has done Samprati Karma. Tika. Daivyam Vachi. So this question which was raised by Purvapakshi is answered. Question was, if all Vacha has same Upadanam, then why there is difference between Jnani and Ajnani? It should happen to both. Upadanam is same. So answer is given. For Jnani, Parichinnatva Bhava is not there. Jnani means Upasaka. For Upasaka, Parichinnatva Bhava is not there. For Anupasaka, Parichinnatva Buddhi is there. Therefore, even though all the benefits are there, he himself deprives himself from those things because of that Shudra Buddhi. That little thinking keeps me away from the glory. Daivyam Vachi Dosha Vigamam Uttar Vakyena Sadhayati. In this Daivi Vak, Dosha Vigamam, it is free from all defects. That is said by the next mantra Vakya. Sacha Daivi Vak Andratadi Dosha Rahita Shuddha Yaya Vacha Daivya यद यद एव आत्मने परस्मैवा वदति तत्तद् भवति अमोघा अप्रतिबद्धा अस्य वाक् भवति इत्यर्थः. साच दैवी वाक्, दिस दैवी वाक् अनृतादि दोष रहिता, it is free from any kind of dosha like anrita, falsehood, etc. And is shuddha, pure. Yaya vacha, by which speech Daivya yadyad eva atmane parasmaiva vadati. By this speech, whatever he talks for himself or for somebody else, atmane parasmaiva vadati, tattad bhavati. This person, whatever he says will happen. Amogha apratibadha asya vag bhavati ityartha. In Tika it is given Vidvad Vachaha Swarupam Sankshipati. So what is the nature of his vak speech? Apratibadha, Amogha, infallible. Asya vak bhavati ityartha. With this 18th mantra is complete. 19th mantra. Divaschainam adityacha daivam mana avishati tadvai daivam mano yena anandyeva bhavati atho na shochati. Daivam should have anuswara. If it is not there, then you make it. Divascha enam adityacha. Divaha means Dyuloka. Aditya, Surya, Devata. So, Prithvi and Agni, it is for Vak. Dyuloka, Aditya for Manaha. Daivam Mana Avishati. Now, mind, Hiranyagarbha mind enters into this Upasaka, who is Krita Samprati Karma. Krita Sampratikaha. Daivam Mana Avishati. Tadvai Daivam Mano Yena Anandiyeva Bhavati. What is the great thing of this Daiva Mana? He said that Daiva Mana is that by which he is always happy. Anandiyeva Bhavati. Atho na shochati. he does not grieve. Upasana phalam is this. At the level of Vak, Amogha Vak. Whatever he says, it will happen for himself or for somebody else. For Upasaka, what is the result at the level of mind is Anandi, never unhappy. Next one will be Prana. That will be the following one. Tika. Vachi darshita nyayam manasi atidishati. That nyaya which is shown in Vak, Vachi darshita nyayam manasi atidishati. In Manaha, he extends atidishati. Tatha. Divascha enam adityacha mana avishati. Divaha, Dyuloka, and Aditya, both are Panchami. So the Hiranyagarbha mana enters into this Upasaka. Upasana phalam is there, and most people, they see that Upasana phalam and they do appreciate it. They get fascinated also. But there is an advantage, like this person himself will benefit. His Vani will have Shuddhi, there will not be any dosha, his mind will be always pleasant. This is Vangmaya tapaha, Manomaya tapaha, etc. Taccha Daivam Manaha Swabhava Nirmalatvat. Why that mana is called Daivam Manaha? Because Swabhavataha Nirmala. It is pure. Tika. Yan Manaha Swabhava Nirmalatvena Daivam iti uktam tadeva Vishinashti. That is elaborated further. Yena Manasa असौ आनंदी एव भवति, सुखी एव भवति, अथो अपि न शोचति, शोकादि निमित्त असंयोगात्. That mind by which he is always Anandi, Anandi eva bhavati, Sukhi eva bhavati, Atho api na shochati, and therefore he doesn't grieve any time. Why? Shokadi nimitta sanyoga is not there. Shokadi nimitta asanyogat. Tika asaviti vidvad uktihi. Vidvad means upasaka. Asau upasakaha. Yena manasa vidwan na shochati api. Tad हेत्व अभावात् तद्दैवम् इति पूर्वेण संबंधः. येन मनसा विद्वान् न शोचति. Such mind by which upasaka does not grieve, because tad hetu abhavat. Shoka hetu, shoka nimitta is not there. That's why that mana is daivam. Tad daivam iti purvena sambandha. So 19th mantra is over. अभ्यश्चैनं चंद्रमसश्च दैवः प्राण आविशति स वै दैवः प्राणो य संचरंश्च संचरंश्च न व्यथते अथो न ऋष्यति स एवं वित् सर्वेषां भूतानामात्मा भवति यथैषा देवतै एवं स यथैतां देवतां सर्वाणि भूतान्यवन्त्येवं एवं विदं सर्वाणि भूतान्यवन्ति यदु किंच इमाः प्रजाः शोचन्ति अमैवासां तद्भवति पुण्यमेवामुं गच्छति न ह वै देवान् पापं गच्छति. So now for prana, adbhyah and chandramasah, both are panchami. Water and chandrama. Through them, the daivaha prana enters into this upasaka's prana. दैवः प्राण आविशति. What is that दैव प्राण? स वै दैवः प्राणो यः संचरंश्च असंचरंश्च न व्यथते. While doing sanchara and asanchara, sancharanam means moving, asancharanam means when he is not moving also, na vyathate, he is not disturbed by it. Atho na rishyati. Rishyati, what is rishyati? This in Brahadaranyaka we saw in 4:422, Sayesha neti neti atma, asango hi na sajyate, ashiryo hi na shiryate, na rishyati. Rishyati means avinashi. He does not become nashta. Na rishyati, avinashi bhavati. Sa evam with sarvesham bhutanam atma bhavati. And he becomes atma of all. Hiranyagarbha, at the level of Hiranyagarbha. Yatha esha devata evam sa yatha etam devatam sarvani bhuta. Up to here. Yatha esha devata evam saha. How Hiranyagarbha is, like that he will become. He will become means he will think like that. He will be thinking like Hiranyagarbha, Samashti. Yatha etam devatam sarvani bhutani avanti. How all other beings and all other devatas, they worship this Hiranyagarbha, like that this upasaka will be worshipped. Evam ha, evam vidam. Evam vidam means upasakam. Sarvani bhutani avanti. They all will do his puja, worship, etc. Yadu kincha imaha prajaha shochanti आमैव आसाम तद्भवति. If so, now the idea is this upasaka has identified with all, like Hiranyagarbha. So everybody is worshipping him like Hiranyagarbha. Up to this is good. Everybody's sukha becomes his sukha. Everybody's dukha will be their dukkham. See, that is what is given. Yadu kincha imaha prajaha shochanti आमैव आसाम तद्भवति. It is theirs only. Asam prajanam. That dukkham belongs to those people. Ama means saha. Why? Punyam eva amum gacchati. Naha vai devan papam gacchati. Only punya goes to him, not papa. Devatas don't get any papa. So he has become devata-like. He will not get any papa. This question always people have, that if I become one with all, then everybody's sukham I will get. But everybody's dukkham also I will get. So I was happy earlier, at least I had only my problems. Now I will have everybody's problems. So here it is said for the upasaka and devatas, nahavai devan papam gacchati. Papa doesn't go to them. In other words, don't hesitate if you start upasana because of this reason that, oh, if I become sarvatmaka, then I will have everybody's sorrows. You will not have. टीका. सर्वभूतात्मत्वे तद्दोष योगात् प्राजापत्यम पदम अनादेयम इति उत्तरवाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आह. You said he will become sarvabhutatma rupa. No, previous page we have to see. मनसि उक्तम न्यायम प्राणे अतिदिशति. Everybody knows where we are. 392. Manasi uktam nyayam prane atidishati. Now, what was said for Vag and Manaha, he extends to Prana. तथा अद्भ्यश्चैनम चंद्रमसश्च दैवः प्राण आविशति. अद्भ्यः चंद्रमसः बोथ पंचमी एनम उपासकम दैवः प्राण आविशति. दैव प्राण एंटर्स इनटू दैट. टीका तम एव दैवं प्राणम प्रश्नपूर्वकम प्रकटयति. What is the nature of that Daivam Pranam? That question is raised and is elaborate. Savai Daivah Pranaha Kin Lakshana Ityuchyate. Kim Lakshana Samasa Vigraha.
कः लक्षण किं लक्षणं यस्य सः.
No, when you do Samasa Vigraha, Kaha Lakshanam Yasya Saha Kin Lakshanaha Pranaha. Prana is called Kin Lakshanaha. Kaha Lakshanam Yasya Iti Uchyate. यह संचरन प्राणी भेदेषु असंचरन समष्टि व्यष्टि रूपेण. इन प्राणी भेद while doing संचरणम प्राणी भेदेषु असंचरन समष्टि व्यष्टि रूपेण अथवा संचरन जंगमेषु असंचरन स्थावरेषु. while moving or not moving, whether you take स्थावर जंगम or समष्टि व्यष्टि etc. न व्यथते न दुख निमित्तेन भयेन युज्यते. दिस दी मुख्य फलम. देर इज नो व्यथा मीन्स वरी. देर इज नो भय. ही डजंट associate with भयम. दुख निमित्तेन भयेन न युज्यते. दुखम दुखस्य निमित्तम भयम. दुखस्य निमित्तम इज भयम. तेन न युज्यते. अथो अपि न रिष्यति न विनश्यति न हिंसाम आपद्यते. And therefore he is not destroyed. Destroyed means he doesn't feel I have lost everything or I didn't get something etc. That is not there. Na hinsam apadyate. स एवं वित्त इत्यादि व्याचष्टे. सहा यो यथोक्तम एवं वेत्ति त्रय्यन्नात्मदर्शनम स सर्वेषां भूतानां आत्मा भवति. The one who knows this means the one who does this upasana. त्रय्यन्नात्मदर्शनम वेत्ति upasate स सर्वेषां भूतानां आत्मा भवति. He becomes the atma of all. सर्वेषां भूतानां प्राणो भवति सर्वेषां भूतानां मनो भवति सर्वेषां भूतानां वाक् भवति इति एवं सर्वभूतात्मतया सर्वज्ञो भवति इत्यर्थः. He becomes सर्वज्ञ because he is the वाक् of all, prana of all, manah of all. And सर्वकृत च भवति. सर्वज्ञः सर्वकृत. टीका विधिरत्र लाभार्थः. विधि, where is विधि?
Veti.
Vetti. Vetti is there. Vidhi dhatu. Vidhiratra labhartha. So it is not only knowing, but it is doing this upasanam also. Both are required. Not only knowing. Na kevalam yathoktam eva. Before that, bhashya. यथैषा पूर्व सिद्धा हिरण्यगर्भ देवता एवमेव नास्य सर्वज्ञत्वे सर्वकृत्वे वा क्वचित् प्रतिघातः। यथा एषा पूर्व सिद्धा हिरण्यगर्भ देवता, हिरण्यगर्भ देवता इज पूर्व सिद्ध, एवमेव न अस्य सर्वज्ञत्वे सर्वकृत्वे वा क्वचित् प्रतिघातः। Just as Hiranyagarbha, which is Purva Siddha, is Sarvagnya and Sarvakrit. Sarvakrit means he has done everything, is Tripta. In the same way, this Upasaka also is Sarvagnya, Sarvakrit. In that there is no Pratighata, there is no obstruction. Saha iti Darshtantika Nirdeshaha. Saha Saha evam with is given. Saha evam with Sarvesham Bhutanam Atma Bhavati. That part. Further in Tika, न केवलम यथोक्तम एव विद्या फलम किंतु फलांतरम अपि अस्ति. Not only this is the phalam of this upasana, phalantaram अपि अस्ति. Even more phalam is there. Oh, what is that? That everybody will do his puja, etc. Kincha यथैतां हिरण्यगर्भ देवतां इज्यादिभिः सर्वाणि भूतानि अवन्ति पालयन्ति पूजयन्ति एवं ह एवं विदम सर्वाणि भूतानि अवन्ति इज्यादि लक्षणां पूजां सततं प्रयुज्यत इत्यर्थः. So kincha means moreover. Just as Hiranyagarbha Devata is worshipped by all beings. Hiranyagarbha Devatam Ijyadibihi Sarvani Bhutani Avanti Palayanti. Sarvani Bhutani Hiranyagarbha Devatam Ijyadibihi Avanti Palayanti Pujayanti. They do puja, etc. They make offerings. Upasakas get all this prapti. Only jnanam, you will not have all this. You just have to be virakta. I am Brahma and I don't need anything in this way. Evam ha, evam vidam, sarvani bhutani avanti ijyadi lakshanam pujam satatam prayujnyate ityartha. Constantly such puja etc. keeps happening of this. And people make offerings. Puja literally means not that they have to have chandan, kumkum, etc. They have lot of reverence. They have pujya buddhi. That bhava is there. And whatever offering they make, it is in the form of their worship. One number tippani. Prayunjata iti. Purva siddha devatam iva tadbhava sakshatkarvantam purusham sarvavasthasu sarvani bhutani sarvair bhogair avanti iti bhava. Just like Hiranyagarbha, who is already siddha. Tadbhava sakshatkarvantam the one who has done Hiranyagarbha bhava sakshatkara, this upasaka, to that Purusha also, sarvavasthasu, in all avasthas, all beings keep coming, sarvair bhogaihi avanti iti bhavaha. Now, objection is there. Sarvabhutatmatve taddosha yogat prajapatyam padam anadeyam iti uttar vakya vyavartyam ashankam aha. If he is sarvabhutatma rupa, sarvabhutatmatve taddosha yogat, he is associated with their dosha also. Then who wants this prajapatyam padam? Prajapatyam padam Anadeyam. One should not go after it because all the doshas will come. इति उत्तर वाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आह. उत्तर वाक्येन व्यावर्त्या या आशंका ताम. उत्तर वाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आह. अथ इदम आशंक्यते. नाउ दिस इज द शंका. सर्व प्राणिनाम आत्मा भवति इति उक्तम. तस्य च सर्व प्राणी कार्य करणात्मत्वे सर्व प्राणी सुख दुःखैः संबध्यते इति. इफ ही सर्व भूतात्म रूप, then सर्व प्राणी कार्य करणात्मत्वे he is the सर्व प्राणी कार्य करणात्म रूप. So somebody has leg pain, he will have leg pain. Somebody has back pain, he will have back pain. Somebody has headache, he will have headache. Then he is always going to be suffering only. सर्व प्राणी सुख दुःखैः संबध्यते इति. टीका. सर्व प्राणी सुख दुःखैः इति अस्मात् ऊर्ध्वं स शब्दो अध्याहर्तव्यः. सर्व प्राणी सुख दुःखैः सह संबध्यते. That sir you have to give. अध्याहर्तव्यः, you have to do अध्याहार. सर्वात्मके विदुषी एकैक भूतनिष्ठ दुःख योगो नास्ति इति उत्तरम आह. इन सर्वात्मक रूप दिस उपासक विदुष एकैक भूतनिष्ठ दुःख योग इज नॉट देयर. ईच इंडिविजुअल कीट पतंग व्याघ्र पशु पक्षी मनुष्य, all whatever their sorrows are, none of them will touch him. Why? See, answer is given. Tanna. Why? Aparichhinna buddhitvat. Because he does not have parichinna buddhi. Mukhya thing through upasana that should happen is this. Parichinnatva buddhi should go. I am vyapaka. This understanding should come. अपरिच्छिन्न बुद्धित्वात्. तदेव प्रपंचयति. परिच्छिन्न आत्मबुद्धिनां हि आक्रोशादौ दुःख संबंधो दृष्टो अनेन अहम आकृष्ट इति. Those who have परिच्छिन्न आत्मबुद्धि, for them alone this आक्रोशादौ दुःख संबंधः. They will have akrosha. Akrosha means this kind of suffering and mental disturbance. Those who have parichinna buddhi, they will have a lot of this. Those who have dehadi tadatmya, parichinna tadatmya, they will have a lot of this. Akroshadau dukkha sambandho drishto. Anena aham akrishta iti. And he will feel by this I am akrishta, I am dukhi. अपरिच्छिन्न धीत्वे अपि सूत्रात्मके विदुषी. Let us see bhashya a little bit. अस्य तु सर्वात्मनो य आकृष्यते यच्च आक्रोशति तयोः आत्मत्व बुद्धि विशेष अभावात् न तन्निमित्तं दुःखम उपपद्यते. Because he is सर्वात्म रूप. यह आकृष्यते यश्च आक्रोशति. यह आकृष्यते, the one on whom he is getting angry. Yascha akroshati, the one who is getting angry. Both, he is both of them. So there is no vishesha only in one. See, if I think I am the one who is bhokta but not karta of this anger, then I will suffer. If I say I am getting angry and I am the one on whom I am getting angry, then what feeling you will have? Nothing. Neither you are getting angry nor nothing is coming to you. It's like both roles you are playing, that's all. तयोः आत्मत्व बुद्धि विशेष अभावात्. There is no विशेष आत्म बुद्धि in any one of them. न तन्निमित्तं दुःखम उपपद्यते. Therefore तन्निमित्तं दुःखम is not there. अपरिच्छिन्न धीत्वे अपि सूत्रात्मके विदुषी इन टीका सर्वभूतांतर भावात् तद दुःखादि योगः स्याद् एव इति आशंक्य. Even if there is अपरिच्छिन्नत्व बुद्धि, you are सर्वात्म रूप सूत्रात्मा हिरण्यगर्भ. Upasaka will have sarvabhutantar bhavat, he is in all. Dukkhadi yoga will happen. Why it will not happen is the question. Answer is given. Iti ashankya jathar kuhar viparivarti krimi doshair asmakam asansargavat prakrite api sambhavat maivam iti abhipretyaha. Jathar kuhar, in the space inside the stomach, viparivarti, those who are moving around and getting transformed. Krimi, the worms. Krimi doshaihi. So by them, dukkhadeha, they will also be suffering, the worms inside the stomach. Do we suffer when they are suffering? No. Whatever happens to them, nothing happens to us. Exactly like that. अस्माकम असंसर्गवत प्रकृते अपि संभवात् मैवम इति अभिप्रेत्य आह मरण दुःखवच्च निमित्त अभावात्. मरण दुःखवत, this we will see tomorrow. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.